3 U.S. Navy ships and 2 Coast Guard cutters will participate in Fleet Week New York, May 21st through 27th. Fleet Week New York is a week-long celebration that gives local citizens a look at the latest capabilities of today's maritime services. It features military band concerts, exhibits, and military demonstrations. For more information, follow the Fleet Week New York Facebook page. The Navy is partnering with the Drug Enforcement Administration for National Take-Back Day, April 26th. You can safely dispose of your unused prescription medications at any participating medical treatment facility. Visit DEA.gov to find a collection site near you. Read more about these stories at Navy.mil. From All Hands Update, thanks for watching.